Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SPX 6900 price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what do we have for SPX here. So for SPX, we have on the all-time history a 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 finished as an impulse wave 3. And of course, a potential wave 4 here as WX and a Y has been unfolding and reached even the double time for wave 2. Meaning if we are in 1, 2, 3 and wave 4 and we're still looking for wave 5, this is very, very likely might still be happening, and that because of course we did not get any kind of invalidation over there, as you can see here, which is of course 0.03 here invalidation of anything bullish. And that means of course I'm still expecting higher prices to be unfolding for SPX towards the $12 here and can be $41 in case of course it gets some extension there towards the 1-to-1 fib level, the most common target. Now basically this correction as a WX and a Y, for me it seems, and of course as a wave Y can be done and finished there. But in case we are still looking here for an impulse, we gotta be careful. It might still looking to finish a wave 5 there, which it can be even an ABC for a wave Y here, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still unfolding for lower prices. Plus the time as well for if you want to create a balance within this correction. As you can see, you would like to see, of course, a little bit longer time here to create a little bit of balance, of course, within this structure. So very likely that one more low can be there, and in case that we have bottomed, also it is a possibility. So we're gonna dive inside it to see what do we have, of course, on the micro level 2 hours chart here. So after this correction, as you can see, we might be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That means, of course, this impulse is not yet done, and it can be our wave Y, A, B, and a C. Don't forget the wave Y. Also can be a very likely possibility here that it might unfold something towards the upside after hitting the 1-to-1 here, taken, of course, from the wave 1 there. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see, of course, how this is going to unfold. What is important for me right now is, of course, to track the micro level here in this correction where you have a W and X here and a wave Y that it can be finished in 3 waves. Again, the same problem that we face in most of the crypto market is this, of course, a running flat that we got in between, that it ends up here as a 3 waves toward the upside, which make it, of course, WX and a Y inside a wave Y. Again, question mark, what the hell, right? So why we would like to get a complex structure inside a wave Y, even it's already complex. So that is very rare to happen, honestly. And it might be, of course, something unfinished, meaning we're still looking for something toward the upside here. Can be something as a zigzag, wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5 still as an ending diagonal. Finishing up a wave C, meaning wave 4 might still be finished over there. Now your invalidation for this is a 0.44, meaning if the price goes up and take the 0.44, that means, of course, the things are invalidated as bearish and we might continue toward the upside. But if the price stays below this price here, that means we're still, of course, looking for lower. And that means, of course, ABC is still very possible here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In case, of course, something will unfold again toward the downside. Otherwise, you finish in WX and a Y and you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Also the same thing towards the downside. Now, breaking, of course, is this level that is your bullish scenario, the only scenario where you can count yourself, of course, as something bullish here toward the upside. Okay, so this is the only way to count, of course, a bullish, and by taking the 0.45, let's say, of course, as a price. That was it for SPX 6900. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.